Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking the essential measurements and setting your scale. Walk each wall and record straight line lengths to the nearest 0. 5 unit, note doors, windows, and immovable structures. Once done, decide a working scale. 1/4 equals 1 for paper, 150 for metric, so all numbers convert consistently. Make sure to mark reference lines and a north arrow. With measurements and scale set, transfer a rough outline to your drawing surface and label every segment before refining. Now draw precise room shapes at your chosen scale and split complex footprints into rectangles, triangles, or circles. For each subshape, apply the right formula: rectangle length times width, triangle half base times height, circle pi r squared, then convert back to real units using scale factors. Once you calculate each subarea, list them in a table and sum them methodically so you avoid transposition errors. If you're using software, input dimensions and verify the computed area against your hand calculation for consistency. Finish by totaling all room areas to produce gross floor area, then subtract shafts, stair voids, or other non-usable spaces if needed. Round to 1 decimal place and annotate scale and expected measurement tolerance so others understand accuracy. Once complete, export the plan as PDF and keep a calc log showing each subarea and formula used. If numbers don't match blueprints, recheck a single wall length and the scale conversion. Often a wrong scale or one missed dimension causes the discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.